The last habit is a wealthy legacy. Wealthy women have the habit of paying it forward. You see, this habit, I started out with wealth is about giving. I'm going to end up with wealth is about giving. And so it's important for us ladies to pay it forward. To pay it forward as it relates to our own purses, okay, but pay it forward to our daughters. You know, this legacy that where women end up with no purse at all, nothing in their purse. You know, it started, I think if any of us will look at our parents or where we got our own money habits, that's why one of the first things we ask you to do in the journal is to write your own purse story. So you can begin to see where those habits and behaviors came from, and oftentimes it will be from your family. Okay, if they were either two things will happen. Okay, either your family was good with money, but they didn't tell you anything about it. Right? Okay. Or they manage money poorly. And so we go through two extremes. We become hoarders and we don't want to make sure that we're not, we're not left like everybody else, or either we become spendthrifts because that's what we saw people do. But you get to start that today. You get to change that. Vision, commitment, and action. Wealthy women think, act, and do things differently.